Hello. Hope everyone is having a great day. Welcome if you're new, and if not, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a $4 blow dryer versus a $400 blow dryer. So the $4 one is a Treseme blow dryer. I've had this blow dryer for, I want to say probably since like 2010, maybe a little older, so well over 14 years old. Still works, still turns on. It came with this little nozzle, and I got this literally for $4 at Bed Bath & Beyond. Those time ago, they had it like on sale. So it came with this. It came with those Velcro rollers, and it also came with little clips and a rolly brush. So some of the specs on it: so it's a Treseme Salon Professional Volume Blow Dryer. It uses tourmaline ceramic, and it generates powerful heat. It has high and low for the speeds, and then it has hot, warm, and cool for the temperatures, and then it has a little cool shot button. Okay, so those are the specs on that. Then I have my lovely Dyson blow dryer. It comes with a comb attachment, it comes with the concentrator nozzle, it comes with a like an anti-frizz attachment, it comes with diffuser attachment. So it comes with multiple attachments. It comes with a lovely case that matches this lovely purple. On here we have the on and off switch. These are the different temperature settings. This is the different speeds. So it does have more speeds than obviously the Treseme one does. And then it's like a push to touch for these versus the little slider things. And also I've had this for a while, so like I don't know if you see any of like the little wear and tear. Again, I've had this for a long time. It still turns on, compared to like a blow dryer that I spent $60 on that is on its final leg. So yeah, but I want to go over performance wise of this. So far I have separated my hair. I put in heat protectant in it, and like something for split ends, so it's all separated in different sections. So I want to show you guys how it performs. Okay, so for the sake of time, I did the back already, so I'm leaving the front pieces to show you guys. Hair is very thick and long, so we're gonna do this section, and I'm gonna clip this one out of the way. And again, I didn't do it like perfectly with like a small teeth comb or anything, but as I said, I already put heat protectant in it. So, and I'm gonna use the paddle brush with the concentrator now, so I just feel like it comes out straighter. I do like using the comb attachment, but the Treseme doesn't have one. It doesn't seem fair for me to do like a comb attachment on one and then a concentrator on another. So I'm gonna do a concentrator on both, and then I'm going to go through it with the Treseme. I typically do like warm, and like I don't like to do high because again, I'm trying to protect my hair. So I'm going to show you guys just the process. I start at the ends, and then I slowly just keep going up and up until I get to the root. So let me show you, and we'll see how long this will. you.